Dear students, we are in JEE Mathematics and we are in the new series 2024 series. Okay, and we are in second chapter, relations and functions, and this is third class in relation functions, third class. Okay, such we have completed, and second chapter is relations and function. In relations and function, this is third class. That means see, today we are going to do the questions from 9 to 12, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, all are 2024 only, I know. I already told you. Okay, if the domain of the function f of x log of 2x plus 3 by 4x square plus x minus 3 to the base e plus cos inverse of 2x minus 1 by x plus 2 is alpha comma beta. Alpha is open interval, beta is closed interval. Then the value of 5 times of beta minus 4 times of alpha is how much? Let us see. See, first we will take this one. This is very simple. First I will find that. Okay, cos inverse x we know very well. Minus 1 to plus 1. Okay. Then shall I take directly this like this? 2x plus 1 by x plus 2 is less than, greater than or equal to minus 1 or less than or equal to plus 1. Shall I take directly? Okay, we know that. Then see, I am multiplying with x plus 2 on both sides, three sides. Then this is going to become minus x minus 2. Okay, 2x minus 1 only. This is going to become x plus 2 or 2 plus x. Okay. Now see, at one go we cannot do. First we will do these two and we will do these two, and separate intervals we will find. See what I want to do. Minus x minus 2 is less than or equal to 2x minus 1. First I will take this. If I take that, then 1 minus 2, minus 1 and 3x. Okay, minus x plus 2, plus x plus 2x, 1 minus 2, minus 1. Or else minus 1 by 3 is less than or equal to x. Or else x will be greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now we have taken these two, now we will take these two. See, 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 plus x. Send x left side. X is less than or equal to 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. See, these two, how we are going to take this condition? Shall I take like this? X belongs to minus 1 by 3 to 3, both are closed intervals. Is it okay? This is for cos inverse. This is over. Finally we will see what will come under. But now go for this. This is not that much easy, complicated. That is why I am doing next. Observe carefully how we are doing this, how we are solving. Okay? We know very well log of 2x plus 3 by 4x square plus x minus 3 to the base e implies, see, input should be greater than 0. 2x plus 3 by 4x square plus x minus 3, entire thing should be greater than 0. You have to do input. Shall I write like this then? 2x plus 3 by 4x square plus x minus 3 should be greater than 0. Okay? Here stop and analyze. See, do we require to give both numerator and denominator greater than 0? Not required. Why? Because see, if we give numerator is greater than 0, denominator also should be greater than 0. If we give numerator is less than 0, then denominator also should be less than 0. Then negative going to get cancelled out, positive is going to become, and it is going to satisfy me for log function. Okay? Now implies I am keeping, you see, 2x plus 3 greater than 0 and 4x square plus x minus 3 greater than 0. This is one condition. Okay? Another condition also I am writing. 2x plus 3 is less than 0 and 4x square plus x minus 3 is also less than 0. Okay? This is another condition. Okay? These two conditions we will see. What I want to say, this condition is not going to valid. I will show you afterwards. One by one we will take. Now see, 2x plus 3 greater than 0 Means what will happen? X should be greater than minus 3 by 2. Okay, 2x is equal to minus 3. 2x should be greater than minus 3 and x should be minus 3 by 2. Okay, should be greater than it. See, along with that, this also should be satisfied. See, shall I split this? Why? Because see, 4 into minus 3 at 1 by wants to write minus 12 plus x has to come. Plus 4 minus 3, same thing. 4x minus 3x plus x. 4 into minus 3 plus 12. Minus 12. Okay? Okay, write down that. That means what will happen here? Let me write. Also, 4x square minus 4x, sorry, plus 4x minus 3x minus 3 should be greater than 0. Okay? Now both getter we are taking, this already we have got. We have not yet finalized it. Wait, because both we have to see. Then I am going to take 4x as common, then x plus 1 will come. 4x square plus 4x. Okay. Again x plus 1 only I will take, but minus 3 I will take. Minus 3x minus 3, minus 3x minus 3. Okay, this should be greater than 0. Or else 4x minus 3 into x plus 1 should be greater than 0. Okay, now we will make some analogy here. See, whether it is this is equal to 0, there is no problem. X should be minus 1 or x should be 3 by 4. But wait, why? Because see, 3 by 4 and minus 1. But should be greater than 0. See what I will do? I will use 0 in between. If I give 0, what will happen here? Minus 3 into 1. Minus 3. It is not like greater than 0. That means see, in between you should not give. Then what you are going to do? You are going to do like this. Less than minus 1. That means see, x should be less than minus 1 and also x should be greater than 3 by 4. Is it okay? See here, not like here equal to. Here only greater than. Why? Because from log function it has come. Should be greater than 0. That's all. Not equal to. That is why here only greater than, less than only like that will come. You see, wait. X should be less than minus 1, x should be greater than 3 by 4. You see, what is 3 by 4? Less than 1. Greater than 3 by 4 means 1 shall I give? Yes. 1 if you give, what will happen? 4 minus 3, 1. 1 if you give, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 into 2, 2. Greater than 0, yes, accepted. This side over. This side you see. Less than minus 1. What is less than minus 1? Minus 2 is less than minus 1. Okay, minus 2 if I give, minus 2 into 4, minus 8, minus 3, minus 11 into, here also you see, minus 2 I have given, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 11 plus 7 greater than 0. It's accepted. That means see, this is valid. How you are going to show them? X belongs to or else like that I will write. See, x belongs to, see, minus infinity to minus 1, but open interval only, union 3 by 4 to plus infinity. Okay, 3 by 4 to plus infinity. Now wait, why? Because not yet over. Why? Because see, both positive means both has to match. Then only we can do it. Now I am writing this. Observe carefully. I am writing this. How I am writing? We observe. See, open interval anyway you have to keep for plus in minus infinity and plus infinity. Okay. X is greater than. See, here I will keep 0. Here I will keep minus 1. Here I will keep 3 by 4. Okay. See, 3 by 4 to infinity but open interval. 3 by 4 to infinity open interval. This is one. Another one. Minus infinity to minus 1. Minus infinity to minus 1. This is another one. Another thing, minus 3 by 2. See, minus 3 by 2 is minus 1.5. Here it will be minus 3 by 2. This is open interval. To what? Infinity, that's all. Why? Because there is no limit. Infinity. Now you tell me where all common? Observe where common. See, I can say minus 3 by 2 open interval to minus 1 open interval combined. That means finally x belongs to minus 3 by 2 open interval to minus 1 open interval. Union. Again 3 by 4 also open interval only. Okay. So we have not yet done that. We will go afterwards. First I am finalizing this only. Okay. For both positive. 3 by 4 open interval, infinity. Okay. Is it final? No. Why? Because see, again you have to go for here. These two. That is why this question is not that much easy question. Okay. Now one more this thing I am taking. This now I am taking this. Minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay. Minus 3 by 2 to minus 1. Say this is 0. This is minus 1. This is minus 3 by 2. And this is 3 by 4. This is infinity. Okay. Now minus 3 by 2 to minus 1 open interval. Okay. And 3 by 4 to infinity also open interval. Okay. Based on this. See, this is for log. And what about cos? Cos is minus 1 by 3 to 3. See, 3 by 4 is just less than 1. 3 maybe you take here. 3. Minus 1 by 3. See, minus 1 by 3 means it will come here. Minus 1 by 3. Okay. Now see, minus 1 by 3 to 3, how I am showing closed interval. See, closed interval, this is also closed interval. Now you tell me where it is appearing. This is not going to appear. Why? Because minus 1 is beyond minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 to 3 is there, but here 3 by 4 to infinity is there. That means we can take 3 by 4 open interval and 3 closed interval. 3 is closed interval, you see. That means final will be x 3 by 4 to 3. See, 3 by 4 is open interval. 3 is closed interval. See, what I want to say, I have done both are greater than 0. Less than 0 you take as homework and do. It is not going to match. Why? Because see here what I have done. Greater than 0 numerator I have done. Greater than 0 denominator I have done. Denominator and numerator again I have mixed. While mixing, both should satisfy. Then only you can take into account. But while doing this, less than 0, numerator and denominator not going to, what we can say, obey. That means there will be no common point. At that time you can omit this. That means less than 0, this you can omit. What I want to say. Okay? That you take as a homework. Now I can say finally, beta will be, no, alpha will be 3 by 4. Alpha is equal to 3 by 4, comma, beta is equal to 3. Okay? Beta is closed interval. Now they are asking 5 beta minus 4 alpha. 5 beta minus 4 alpha is equal to 5 into 3 minus 4 into 3 by 4. 4 going to get cancelled out. 15 minus 3, 12. Okay? Let us go for next question.